Hello again. I think I found the problem with this replacement screen from the eBay. If you take a look at this original broken one, you can actually see that there are two ribbon cables, the big one and the small one. The small one has a chip on it, which is connected through this small connector together, but also they are soldered underneath this place. I don't know if you can see it. Trust me, they are soldered. You cannot separate them. And on this replacement screen that I got, once again, it does have that black sticker on it, which I don't know what is. If we turn it over, you can see that it is intact after the removal. But if we take a look on these two ribbon cables, you can clearly see that they are not connected. This smaller chip that goes into this connector over here should be soldered to the pads of the big bottom one. As you can see, there is some solder put on that small ribbon cable, but the bottom one is actually clear copper. There is no any solder, so basically it's not connected. Maybe that will help you in the future, but as I say, it doesn't register any touches in some kind of like here, this area. So yeah, thank you. If you cannot send me the working one or the soldered one, I would like to get a refund. Thank you. Sorry for bothering.